Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For the people who have already subscribed my channel and for the people who have recently found my channel, a hearty welcome to this channel. I am Padharthi Yashwardhan. I am a network enthusiast and network engineer who has a degree in electronics and communication engineering and presently I am pursuing my masters in embedded system. I have good knowledge in working with different kinds of microcontrollers, different kind of real-time operating system and all those. Apart from this, I have little very good knowledge in coding in various coding languages. Now, today as a part of the series, I will be going to be explaining a program where I am going to write a Python program for a problem statement. The given problem statement is a very simple problem statement. This problem is given in many of the asked in many of the interviews, and it is sometimes even asked in a coding round of interviews. So what it does is simply in this problem statement we will be given a string. Let us say sorry, today is a sunny day. This is the input string that will be given. The output should be now they ask us to print the string in the reverse word manner. That is, reverse the words in a string, in a given string. So the output should be day, sunny, is today. This is the required output. So now you can pause the video, and if anyone has got any idea, they can implement it in their own code editor and then follow my solution. Okay, now let us begin with this solution. As always, the first thing we need to do is we need to take input from the user. So I will say string is equals to input, input. What I need to input, let's say I will like enter a sentence. Enter a sentence. Now first I will run this code. You can ask, it will ask me an answer. Like let's say today is a sunny day and enter. See, now you have seen that our code has been successfully executed and it has taken the input. Now to check whether it's correct or not, just write the string. Now what it does, now it asks for me the input, so I write today is a sunny day, then it is printed. So from this we can understand that we are able to correctly input the statement and and it is easily stored in the string variable. Now let us proceed further and let us see how we are going to reverse the words in the string. To do that, first we need to separate the different words that are present in the string. To do this, we will be using the dot split function. So I will write string dot split. So now what does this split function is doing is it splits the given string into different words based on the spaces. That is, each space before what whenever there is a space in the given string, before that space, whatever the word, that is considered as a single element. Now I want to store this also. So let's say I will say store it in, let's say sentence is equals to. Now I need to print the sentence, so I will just say sentence. Now let me run it. See? So now whatever the input string, today is a sunny day, that is the input string we are given. Now the Python compiler has written me a string which is containing all the words that are present in the given string. Now the next way is now I need to reverse this list so that I can print it easily, right? So to do that, just I will be using a simple thing like reversed is a function variable name which is nothing but our sentence. That's the thing. And what I am going to be doing is I just give this. So now what we are going to do is this will create a reverse list named as reverse where it is storing the reverse of this. That is, the first element in reverse will be day followed by sunny, is today. And let me print it also reversed. and just run it. See, today's day sunny is today. That is how we are printing. Now you may understand. Now if you are able to uh, print all the words in the sentence, all the words present in the list as a single statement, our objective is achieved. Right? Now to do that, just let me write the simple function we need to write. We need to write our output underscore string string is nothing but is a simple. What we need to do is we need to write space dot join control C control V reverse, and then we need to print this, so I just say output underscore string, and now let me run it and you can see our objective is achieved, right? We are given an input string as today is a sunny day and the output is day sunny is today. So now what this last function is doing is we are creating an output string where we are taking each and every word of the reverse the list and we are joining all those words into a single statement followed by a space. That is, if our required output is day space sunny space is a space today, it is good. But let us see if this is not a required output. Our required output is all should be combined together. Then we can just do one thing. We can just copy this code and paste it here. And let me, remove this space and now let me run it. You see, everything will be combined. So now this is how we are going to do this. This is a very special case that they ask in some of the interviews. Generally, we don't refer. If anyone asks, this is the process we need to do. Now, as I mentioned in the previous video, it is always good if you are able to write to your whole code into a single user-defined function. To do that, just let me give you, let's do one thing. Let me first, yeah, okay, yeah. So first I need to write define reversed underscore word of sentence that which is a give input string. How we are going to do is first I need to write the words. So I just say words underscore string is equals to it is a simple thing which is nothing but our input sentence dot split. Okay. Next, I want now we need to reverse this. So reversed underscore word is equals to is equals to control C control V it here words underscore string brackets minus 1. Next, I need to write so reversed underscore string is equals to space dot join of reversed underscore word. So yeah, that's the thing. And now I need to return it. So I just say return reversed underscore word. So that's it. See, by writing that's 3, 4, 5, 6, some 7 lines of code, 7 to 10 lines of code, we are able to just print our output. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to make a little bit change in this also. Now once this is done, I need to say output. So let's say output is is equals to nothing but reversed underscored word. Sorry, let me or else let me change this to reversed underscore. Let's say it's only reversed because I have named it as reversed word, right? So reversed word of our string, and then I need to print it. So I just say print print output space comma, and it is nothing but output. Yeah. So now let me run the codes. Now first this code is done. Now this is done, which is asking it. So let's say it's today is a good day to start our work. Huh? Project. Let's say and enter. Now the last thing is that now if I print this, what I will get? See, wait a minute. Sorry for the disturbance, friends. I just made a small mistake here. Before, if you rewind it back, I have written this as reverse underscore word. So now what it does is, as we have named the function also as reverse underscore word. So now when I have executed this like this, like say today is a good day to start our project, let's say. And when I am executing the output, you say it's a function reverse underscore word. So now what happened is, as see, I have mentioned here reverse underscore word, which is nothing but our function name. But actually we wanted to write reverse underscore string. So we need to write reverse underscore string. Now let me execute this again. Now let me give the sentence again. Okay, let's say today is a good day to start our work. Let's say start our that's a project. Okay, enter. Now let me print the output. See, project R start to day good is today. So we have successfully done our output string. So now friends, I hope you have gained a good understanding and you have learned something new in how to write the programming. And forgive me friends, I while typing I didn't see it and I did this mistake. So that's the thing. So now friends, do tell me in the comment section below what do you think about my explanation and is there any in how I can improve the game. And also do let me know of your opinion on this series. And if you give me enough motivation by giving me more comments and more amount of subscriptions, etc. By subscribing my channel, by just sharing this video, I feel motivated to give you more such videos. And I don't worry, friends. And I'm also going to make a few videos related to electronics. Also, that part is already there. Now, as it is now, the time is more now, as it is June and July, during this time, more number of companies come for recruitment. So I thought of making this series. Apart from this, the other series will also continue as it is. So now, friends, I hope you have gained a good understanding about this problem, and you will learn some new methods in Python. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching, friends, and have a nice day. And I meet you again in a new video. Bye.